Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I cook this delicious yummy black eyed beans with yam. So stay tuned, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you need to do, because the black eyed beans is very hard and it takes lots of time to cook, you soak it in the water for 2 hours or 3 hours. You can even soak it overnight. And over here I have frozen yam which I soaked inside the water, not for any other thing but not to change color. So after soaking the beans, I put it in a pot. I will add enough water to cook, but I will cook this for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then I will take out the water. I throw it away. You can continue cooking it, but I normally throw it away so that it doesn't form gas after eating it. You don't need to be passing gas a lot. I will prepare the yam by taking out the skin of the yam. Then I will soak it in the water so that the color will not change. I will also cut this sweet paprika off camera, which I will be using later on. So once the beans is ready, is soft, after about 1 hour, I will be adding the yams. Then I will be adding enough palm oil. This is palm oil that I got from the palm nut soup that I made last week. So I will add some of the palm oil or the palm paste. Then I will top up with other palm oil that I have here. Then I will follow it up with seasoning cube. I'm using aromat seasoning powder. I will add some curry powder. If you don't add curry powder to your beans, you are missing. I will add some salt to taste and a lot of onions. I'm using 2 bulb onion. Then I'll be adding the sweet paprika I showed you earlier, and inside that sweet paprika I already cut habanero pepper, that is the hot pepper behind the camera. Then I will stir and test for salt. Once everything is okay, cover and cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes or till the yam is ready. After about 10 minutes, I started to give it a stir to make sure it's not burning. Test again to make sure that everything is perfect. Then I cover for more 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, it is good as ready. So tell me, what will you be pairing these beans with? As for me, I will eat it with soaked garri. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like this video, if you learn 1 or 2 things, give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and leave your like and your comments below. Thanks and bye.